Hey and welcome back to another video from WEBA. In today's video I'm going to show you how to customize your HK9 Ultra 2.2 Golden Edition smartwatch. So if you want to know how to set up fully custom wallpaper, that's right, Personalize watch faces, stick around until the end of this video because I'm going to show you how to do it fast and easy. Without further ado, let's get into the video. We will need your watch and phone already paired. If you don't know how to pair your HK9 smartwatch, I will leave a link right up here for you. Now let's go straight to the Fit Pro app. We are going to the watch face settings. You will find the different types of wallpapers. Here you will be able to edit the ones you like or add the ones already available in the app gallery. For example, I want to use an analog watch face, so I type in here and there's a huge variety of watch styles. Let's say I like, I don't know, this one, or maybe the one with the X up here. Let's say I like this one, okay? Once we select the wallpaper and tap it on, this screen will pop up. The installation process, so basically it starts downloading the face and sending it over to the watch, and once that loading bar finishes, you will see the wallpaper is now on the watch. Let's wait for that to complete. Alright. So once it's done, you will see that the watch face has updated. The previous one with the space and planet gone. Now it shows this new face, which looks really nice and goes great with the gold strap. Now let's say I want a digital face instead. It works the same way. Just go to the digital section and pick whichever you want from there. There are tons of watch faces as you can see. Let me tilt the phone a bit so you can get a better view. We got a tons of options. Literally, there's something for everyone. Look at this: animated dials, holiday themes, matching style faces, space designs, cartoons styles, so many cool designs. Now to customize a recent wallpaper, go to custom section and pick one from there. Let's say I want this one right here. I can now edit this one. You can choose an image and allow when prompt, and you will see your phone image library. So I'm going to select this one, this one here. Once that's set, you can even change where the times appears. I'll leave it right here and then tap install, and you will see it start loading a new wallpaper, and that's it. Alright, so it is all done now, and as you can see, the wallpaper is right here. Now about the other wallpapers you see in here, you can't edit those. Only one of them is customable, and you can't delete the other either. Only this one can be changed. Honestly, this watch gives you so much styles and a lot of flexibility to personalize it, and I really love that. You can change it however you want. Set the background you really like. It's super cool to have that kind of freedom. Alright, so that's it for today's video. I hope that you enjoy it and that it helps you out. If you like it and helps you out, please give me a like, comment and share this video. That really helps me a lot to reach more people. And that's for now. Take care and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.